India recorded 72,330 new infections in a span of 24 hours, taking the total case tally to over 1.22 crore. This is the biggest jump in the daily infections the country has seen in nearly 6 months. 8 states accounted for 84% COVID cases in the country, which includes Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Karnataka among others. Maharashtra alone added 43,183 cases and 249 deaths in just one day, another record jump since October last year. Amidst a resurgence in infections, India has kicked off its third phase of vaccination, which will cover everyone above the age of 45 years.
Now is the time when we are vaccinating 45 years above people without even comorbidity. So we need to understand that the target people which we are doing is a working class. So today being a working day, we could not see much of crowd. But yes, in coming days, that is Saturday or something, we are actually expecting a huge crowd for people coming in. And on any given day, on these days also, when we are doing it 45 above and with comorbidities and 60 plus, we have done an average of 400 per day. So, and the highest number being around 900 per day that we have given vaccines. So the people are coming forward to get them vaccinated. That's a very, very positive sign, because I think we all are now tired with this disease. So that's the only way we all can fight with it. And it is not only one health worker or somebody can do it, it has to come from within. So see, the government has done a very, very fantastic job. There are two ways of the registration. One is that you need to register yourself on the cowin.gov.in application, where you register yourself and select the site where you want to go, which hospital you want to go for vaccination. And once that is done, you can walk into the hospital, you can show your registration, and then accordingly, as you have already seen, that there's a waiting time before, and then we give you a registration time. We give you after the billing has been done, you are moved to the vaccination site. There you need to get vaccinated and wait for half an hour. Even if people who are not very tech savvy, they are having challenges with the mobile or something, we ask them to come to the site, we will register you here itself. So the idea is that maximum to get vaccinated, whatever help we can give you, government can give you, we are there for that.
Additionally, to boost its vaccination drive, vaccination centres across the country will remain open throughout April, including on gazetted holidays. An expert panel of India's Central Drug Authority has sought additional data from Dr. Reddy's laboratories, which has sought emergency use authorization for Russian vaccine Sputnik V. The country so far has been successful in vaccinating 6.75 crore citizens. Bureau Report, Republic TV.